Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking that. So, Purvi, now finally settling with IIM Ahmedabad. The
Yes,
journey
sir.
of last 1 year coming to a halt.
Mm.
How are the emotions?
Sir, right now, it's like obviously it feels very good, but I'm also like there's this nervous excitement that's there for like the upcoming challenges and like whatever
Obviously,
growth
uncertainty will
we'll
always
face. Yeah, that.
the challenges in the
And
process.
no, and I won't call it settling because like I'm Ahmedabad. It's like what
Hmm.
most people want to achieve.
Yes.
So yes.
All right. So let's start from the very scratch. Just introduce yourself a bit.
Okay, I am Purvi. I graduated from Triple IT Delhi last year in computer science and design. Um, my 12th and 10th grade was like 95, 96%, and now my CAT percentile was around 97.3%.
Okay. All right. So let's discuss about your VARC, Quant, and HLRDI strategies that you followed, the ups
Yeah.
and downs, the challenges that you faced in mock, and then we'll be moving towards this interview process, right?
Mm.
So what were your motivations behind tackling VARC or DILR or Quant, or what were your strategies?
Um, uh, so I feel the most difficulty that I had out of all these three sections was definitely in quants because like going into college, like the practice of doing so much maths, you lose the practice of doing so much maths. So I think that is where my weak point majorly was. But definitely VARC and DILR also had its low points. Um, I feel VARC I had a little bit of an edge because I was into reading books. So the speed part of reading comprehension was something that came to me like more or less naturally. Um, as for DILR, I think DILR is more about practice and like the variety of sets that you solve and like figuring out where your strengths lie and where your weaknesses lie. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So, since you have seen it ins and outs of Catway because you were a full course student, when you
Mm.
had joined, you must be having some expectations that, okay, so I'm joining this Excel Y and Z Institute. I have some expectations from it. So, were those
Mm.
expectations met in your CAT journey? Just the genuine feedback.
Yes, sir, definitely. I mean, I was starting with lower expectations because that is what I'd always seen. But my expectations were more than met. Um, the 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 relationship that's built is like feels very personal. Even when I couldn't attend the classes for the CAT exam, we would like meet separately and we would create a plan for each week. So yes, sir, I think the expectations were definitely met,
All right.
exceeded, in fact.
Okay, so the CAT happened, results came, the percentile showed 97.3. So,
Mm.
were you happy? Were you like so so, or were you disappointed?
Uh, I was I was happy like after the call started to come out. I didn't know like I wasn't expecting much after the percentile had come out.
Mm-hmm. And interviews started to happen. Ahmedabad happened, Bangalore happened. Being a fresher, you knew somewhere that it will be difficult to crack, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So the moment you got a mail from IIM Ahmedabad that Purvi, you have been shortlisted for the flagship PGP program,
Yeah.
वो मोमेंट एक्सप्लेन करो अच्छे से.
But first, though, I couldn't believe only. I like rechecked the cat ID and the name multiple times because I thought that there must have been some mistake. Because like based on my interview experience, Ahmedabad, I was not expecting to
Mhm.
get through at all. So I was like extremely confused in the beginning, and then after I broke the news to my parents and my like the relatives, my grandparents, I was like very elated, and everybody was very happy.
Okay, all right. So, when we talk about, and what all other calls have you converted?
Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow, FMS.
So all these big,
I'm waitlisted for FMS.
yes. What is the waitlist number?
So I don't remember. I have to
All right.
check.
It's okay. Who cares about if FMS waitlist when ABC is in hand? So, all right. So, congratulations, first of all, for all these.
Thank you.
You have seen the full course program of CATWay. You
Yeah.
have seen the GDPI culture of CATWay. So, what you believe is different in this from other institutes, or if you have any knowledge? Obviously, you were not a part of any. So, as per the expectations, I am asking you, what is different?
So, I mean, I had some experience for JEE coaching. So I think like pulling from that, there's definitely like a very close-knit community that's built here. Even among the like candidates who are appearing for the interviews and for CAT exam, everybody like wants to help everybody else, and I think it's very supportive and very like a very wholesome environment, I feel.
All right.
So it's very like
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, sorry.
Go ahead. That's
so no, there's this like comfort that's built, so it doesn't feel very uneasy to be part of.
So many people will be watching your videos. Any success mantra for the upcoming juniors for CAT 2026?
Sir, I feel discipline and consistency you have to maintain if you want to see results at the end. Because like there will be moments when you feel like ab nahi hoga and you want to give up, but you have to like go through that phase to like come out of the tunnel from the other side.
Okay.
So, yeah.
You must have faced some hiccups during your mocks too, right, Purvi?
Yes, sir.
So how were you tackling those challenges? Because it's traumatizing at some point of time for every aspirant. So how did you tackle that?
So honestly, in the initial phase of giving mocks, it was very demotivating, and I did not want to like do it. I thought कि like if I just stop giving it, आगे exam में जाके हो जाएगा किसी तरीके से. But that is not the way to think at all. And then like we would again meet personally, and then we would come up with plans for like specific plans for quants and DILR and DRC, and then I would like sort of try to follow to my best ability.
All right, perfect. So CATWay is really proud to have students like you. I believe Triple IT Delhi, then IIM Ahmedabad. You are changing brands, right? What next?
So right now I have like a little idea of what I want to do after my MBA. Like for the very further down the line, maybe I'd like to do my own thing. But right now I'm very excited to join Ahmedabad and like learn from this diverse group of people and professors, and and like just take everything in.
All the best, Purvi. All the best for your future endeavors. We are really proud to have you.
Thank you, sir.